YouTube. Today is Tuesday. I think is today Tuesday. I think today's Tuesday. And today's it's Tuesday. Today's Twin Day, so this is my shirt. And twin, move.
No, his are actually pretty good.
Listen, look. Yeah, twin.
Propaganda.
Yeah.
Somebody needs to crash down a little
Yeah,
bit.
we're nerdy twins. Hello, Jacob. How's you today?
Sparkly. Man, oh, so flat direction.
What is that?
I don't know what that is, but I have glitter all over
He has
me.
glitter all over him. You're Hey, like it. He doesn't like being videoed. Cole!
Oh gosh.
I love Cole. Cole.
Hello.
We're gonna co-star. Our shirts look great together. Cool.
Blue and red.
How are you? That's red?
I don't know.
I'm color deficient.
Yeah.
We're color deficient. High five for knowing colors. We're not being able to perceive them correctly. It's not that we don't know them. Alright, so it's bright outside again, and it feels nice. It's kind of brisk, actually, even though it's sunny. You can
gonna defuse this bomb.
look outside.
How
I
are we
think
going to
there's
defuse this bomb?
some sort of tag thing where you're supposed to answer, like, I don't know. I'll do a tag or something soon, like answer questions thing. I'll find some questions and I'll answer them tomorrow. It'll be like favorite color and all that other good stuff that you need to know. And I'll throw in some famous last words or something. I have to sneeze. Well, I should probably edit that out. I might. It depends how bad it looks on camera or on the computer. Hey, Dylan Mays.
Oi.
Come here. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Awesome.
Who's your twin?
Nobody.
He's one of a kind. He doesn't need a twin. With some talent. Talent! I sneezed again! I keep sneezing! Ah! It's my geometry teacher. She hates me.
I feel terrible if I
Ty hit me up. Oh, I'm sorry. Hi!
scream I heard.
Alright. Hi!
I'm gonna have him. I'm gonna add. Hey, I'm gonna add.
Stop it! Okay. Anywho, I don't know what to talk about. I do not know what to talk. Hey, Cole. I do not know what to talk about, so we're gonna go down these stairs. I'm gonna go down them. Down the stairs. I wonder if I can. Ah, this is the coolest shot I've ever done. Nah, this isn't that cool. Wanna see some more stairs? Stairs. Stairs everywhere you go. I don't think you've ever seen me walk up these stairs. Hey, you have. There's one time I remember doing it. Well, YouTube, I'm gonna sit on these stairs. I'm slipping down. Yeah!